So Jim Roberts asked, everyone talks about how much they sous vide in advance, but very little talk about times or temperatures heating from cold. And I think that's a good question. I have some time and temperature charts that talk about heating your food or pasteurizing your food, and it all applies to tender foods. If you've cooked something ahead of time, it's now basically a tender food. So if you cook a chuck roast ahead of time and you've chilled it down and you just want to reheat it, it only matters how thick it is, and that's going to tell you how long you need to cook it. So you can look at those time and temperature charts and you'll know exactly how long to reheat at. And the temperature doesn't matter too much as long as you're reheating it at a temperature below what you sous vide it at. So if you were doing more of a pot roast style and you cooked a chuck roast at 156 degrees, you can reheat it at any temperature below there. But if you're doing the same chuck roast and you cooked it steak-like at 130, then you want to make sure you recook it at 130 or lower to make sure you have you don't ruin the results of what you did before.